Our winter steelhead schools are conducted on the Sandy River. The Sandy may be the best kept urban river in the world. Your float will be a journey through geologic time down a waterway where wildlife swims with giant silverfish that eat flies, but only for the most skilled anglers. Welcome to our classroom in paradise.
Can't imagine.
Yeah, who says this steelhead fishing's hard anyway?
Stay hooked, buddy. That's all I ask.
Looked to me like a buck, or maybe a buck and a half.
It's acting like one.
Yeah. Yeah, get the trusty old pontoon boat in the picture here. What, he decided he didn't like you or something?
He didn't like one of us. I'm not holding the net.
Powerful fish. And a pretty good sized fish as well. You don't like the looks of me one bit either. There he is, right there. Right there. Dandy, big old buck.
Nice one.
Oh, that is a beauty. Yeah. That's a pretty active one as well.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Here, take this net and I'll get a picture of you.
Okay. That's a bright fish.
Oh, it is.
Holy smokes, beautiful. Huh.
There's old Kenny with a well-deserved steelhead in the net. Get your steelhead education from www.flyfishusa.com, the fly fishing shop in Welches, Oregon.